My name is Hayden. We're going to dive straight into some tech today, and I'm sure you know what it's about because it's in the title of the video. The guys over at iRESTORE reached out to me via my business email and they asked to see if I'd be interested in collaborating and trying out one of their devices. Now, speaking as a man who is thinning on top and naturally receding, I jumped at the offer because if I can find something that is non-invasive and drug-free, then why the hell not? Now, this is going to be in a series because it is a device that you'll see changes over time, not straight away. So today is the first of that series. We're going to do an unboxing, so I've got it here with me. We're going to try it out for the first time and just kind of get a feel for what it is and what it's supposed to do. Now, even though the guys at iRESTORE did send this to me and I did not pay for it, I'm still going to give it my honest thoughts and opinions. The device that they sent over my way is the iRESTORE Elite device. Now, before we read off what it's supposed to do and what it's promising to do, now I started receding and thinning, I would have to say, in my early 20s. I'm not speaking for all men, but my experience, I'm not my hair, my confidence is not tied up in my hair, but it is majorly impacted, or was majorly impacted and continues to be so over time as more and more hair disappears. Now, I have used a whole bunch of other things in the past. I've done topical solutions, I've done pills, everything bar actual surgical intervention. I'm not sure I want to go down that path. There has been some near hits, I'm not going to say misses, but near hits. And then obviously there have been major duds in the past. So I am all open and I'm all for trying something that is all natural ingredients, that is going to be non-invasive and completely drug-free. And this is what iRESTORE promises. We're going to scoot on in and you're going to actually have a look at my hair so we can all get an idea. You can see how thin it is along the hairline. I actually am doing all right on top, so there's a lot of hair back here. It's just at the front of my head where the hairline is and it's thinning out. If you're interested in seeing the journey, make sure you subscribe, you ring the notification bell because we're in for a ride. I've got the website open just so we got a better understanding of what it is we're looking at. It says the blurb on the website, meet the iRESTORE Elite, the world's best hair growth laser device for home use. Experience clinic grade technology in your own home. With 500 lasers and LEDs, it's our most powerful device designed to help grow your hair back in just half the time of the pro. See visible results in as little as 3 months with thicker, healthier, faster growing hair. Unlike other devices on the market, iRESTORE Elite uses the most advanced hair regrowth technology. It's equipped with special VCSEL lasers and uses 3 different wavelengths to enhance hair follicle stimulation. Experience our Lumitech red light therapy to reactivate dormant follicles to restore your natural hair. Our patented extended scalp coverage design maximizes the treatment area to regrow your hairline, temples, and crown. It's a non-invasive, non-surgical, drug-free, and pain-free way to get your hair and confidence back. Sign me up. 500 lasers and LEDs, number 1 on the market. 12-minute treatments daily. So it's going to take around 12 minutes a day. You set yourself a little timer. It says on here, how does it work? Think of it like watering plants. Hair follicles absorb red light like how plants absorb water and sunlight to grow healthier. The light energy increases blood flow, enhances ATP production, and reactivates dormant follicles to grow back thicker and healthier hair. Here we have it. I think it's time we crack this open, we have a look at what it looks like, and we give it a bit of a test. Within the box, there is a pouch. There is a smaller box with portable battery, and then we have the helmet itself. I like the packaging, it's very sleek. The iRESTORE Elite retails for $2,499, which means it's up there. We'll open up the pouch first. We got a iRESTORE comb and a selfie ring light. That is bright. Thank you, iRESTORE. We have the portable battery, which looks like this, which then leaves the actual device itself. Slides straight out. Here is what it looks like. It just looks like a bike helmet. I really like the black and the stark contrast with the red. We have the manual right here. Within the manual, it's got a quick start operation guide. It's actually got 4 stages right on the front page. The first one is 0 to 3 months. You may see shedding of weak and thin hairs. This is normal as thicker, stronger hairs replace them. 3 to 6 months, hair loss has slowed. Tiny baby hairs begin to emerge, but may not be visible yet. 6 to 12 months, hair shedding should have stopped or slowed down by now. Expect accelerated visible growth of fuller hair. 12 to 24 months. This is the period of maximum growth. Expect to see continued improvement with constant usage. It seems to be pretty straightforward with how to operate. There's only 6 steps. The first one is to position the helmet on your head. Step 2 is insert the power adapter pin, controller into the power adapter, and then obviously into the electrical outlet. Step 3 is turning it on with the power button. Then press the play pause, start pause to begin the treatment. And if you don't press the play pause, it will automatically shut off after a minute of no use. Step 4, press the play pause button to begin 12-minute session. A short beep indicates the session has started. A long beep will sound when the session is complete, and the device will shut off automatically. Step 5, if you need to pause the session at any time, you can pause it, use the button. And similarly, if you've got it paused for longer than a 5-minute period, it will automatically shut off. And then the last step, turn the device off holding the power button down for 3 seconds. Unplug the power adapter from the electrical outlet and dismantle before you put it away. I like the quality of their manual. It's very glossy, very sleek. Now, I'm pretty confident I know how to work it, so let's just have a go. I've just realized as I've taken it out, it's actually got this really cool case that it comes with. It keeps it all housed. It looks very futuristic. Look how shiny that is. Here we have the actual helmet itself. There's a shot of the inside. Now, as I read out before, directly from their website, they do state that unlike other variations that are out there on the market, due to the coverage that they offer within the laser itself and the LEDs, covers more surface area of your actual scalp in order for it to better impact hair regrowth. So within the actual case, you can see the cord that is attached to the little pouch that it comes in and the device itself. It's nicely secured with elastic band on the inside. Within the actual pouch that was in the case, the power adapter, microfiber cleaning cloth, and a pouch within the pouch to house the cord. I don't know about you, but I am very keen to give this a whirl, see what it's like on the head, how loud is it, is there any heat, you know, that kind of a thing. Here we have the helmet. I don't know why, but this is giving me Power Ranger vibes, and I'm not mad at it. Having it on the head, it's actually pretty comfortable. I like that there is a lot of length to the cords themselves, specifically the adapter, the power cord. We're going to plug this in. Okay, it is an American adapter. Luckily, there's charge in the portable battery. It literally magnetizes straight on. Pressing the button, you can see the power has come on. We're going to give this its 12 minutes of allotted time. As you progress through the usage, it counts you down with how many minutes are left. You can see we've got 10 minutes. We've been 2 minutes in. I don't feel any heat or discomfort or anything like that. It's actually very comfortable on the head. Let's let this finish its cycle and we'll check back in. We are waiting for the end. And there we have it. It turns itself off. You can see the lights are done. Let's take this off. There's a little bit of heat in there. You can see where I was pressing on my forehead. The helmet itself, very comfortable. It's got these foam pads, so it's not gonna like squash your head or feels like hard plastic sitting on top. There is quite a bit of space between the top of your head and where the helmet starts, and that's my dog walking around thinking she's on safari or something. It did take quite a bit of charge. Of the 3 bars, the 3 little lights on the side, it took one of the lights away. I haven't actually charged the battery as yet. I need to figure that out. The DC power outlet, the adapter, came in an American socket, whereas in Australia we have 3-pin plug holes. I will sort that out. Luckily there was charge in the battery. First impressions, I think the quality of the product speaks for itself. It's pretty good. The packaging that it came in, the presentation, very impressive, very sleek, and all the additional stuff that they sent and they didn't have to send. I'm a fan. I will be documenting my journey as we move towards a full head of hair